This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Mercedes-Benz G-Class. First, let's establish the fundamental structure. Start by lightly sketching a large, elongated rectangular box that will form the main body of the vehicle. Above this, add a slightly smaller angled rectangle to represent the cabin. Pay close attention to the overall proportions, aiming for that iconic, robust, and boxy G-Class silhouette. These initial shapes are crucial for a solid foundation. Now, let's bring our G-Class to life with some key features. Carefully draw 4 large, circular wheels positioned beneath the main body, ensuring they are evenly spaced. Next, add those distinctive, prominent wheel arches around each tire, giving it that rugged look. For the front, sketch the rectangular grille and the circular headlights as simple, basic shapes. These details will start to define its character. It's time to refine our drawing and add more definition. Outline the windows, making sure they maintain that characteristic angular and upright G-Class style. Then, add the distinct door lines and the side mirrors to complete the profile. Once you're happy with the overall shape, go ahead and darken your main lines, making them stand out. Finally, gently erase any light construction guides you used earlier. For the final touches, let's add some depth and realism. Apply subtle shading to areas like under the wheel arches and along the lower body to give your drawing more dimension. Don't forget to include small details such as door handles, the spare tire cover on the back, and roof rails if you like. Your G-Class is now complete. Check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.